Hello there, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Logi Option Plus and set up it completely for your wireless mouse. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, first of all, open any web browser and search in the address bar Logi Options Plus and open the first page. Now scroll down and choose download for macOS 13 or later or any other version for your operating system. I'm gonna download the Mac version since my operating system is macOS. And after downloading the file, normally install it. So I'm gonna install it. Here it is, the Logi Options installer. I'm double clicking on it. Clicking on this open button, providing the Mac password right now. And OK again, and choose this install option plus. Now it is downloading some files. Just wait a few seconds or a moment until it's completely downloaded. It is about 302 megabyte. Just I'm waiting until it's completely downloaded. So here you can see that it is installing Options Plus after downloading. Just wait a few seconds again. And here we go, it's opening the app, clicking no thanks. And it is saying to connect the device. I'm clicking on this add device, Bluetooth, and choosing my device again. Selecting connect, going back. And it detected the device. I'm opening it, escape it, and that's it. Here is my device. So that's all for today's video, how you can set up your Logi Options Plus in your macOS. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.